This guide walks you through how to efficiently utilize the Item Master Template Assistant. The agent is designed to dial in and create the customized item template based on customers' expectation. Initiate a conversation with the bot. Specify the desired unit of measure. The agent will guide you to complete the settings step by step. Choose the UOM. Confirm the based and default UOM. Provide dimension and detailed description of the item. Follow the instructions. Answer each question to process. Continue to set up the configurations based on your requirements. Proceed to complete these settings. Complete setup these features and go on. Continue to answer the question one by one. The agent will generate the item template after all questions have completed. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Item Master Template Assistant.